What's up, y'all? I don't know who needs to hear this today, but I'm coming to tell you something today. Okay, if you are a wanting to be a small business owner, or if you've already opened your LLC, if you're thinking about opening an Etsy shop, Shopify, Wix, whatever, if you're sitting back thinking about it, you're never gonna get to fruition. I'm here to tell you, just do it, sis. Okay, just open whatever it is that you're trying to open. The next thing is post. Okay, I don't have time to post every day. I am a very busy woman, but when I have new products in my shop, I will post it. It doesn't seem like it gets a lot of likes. It doesn't seem like it gets a lot of views, but I'm going to tell you, somebody's watching, okay? I give you an example. I posted some templates. I am a print on demand Etsy shop. So I sell t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, and I'm starting to integrate a whole lot of other stuff. I went back to the digital products, okay, because I seen that those were in demand. When I first started my digital products, they weren't all that great. It was a template that I did for my niece that was selling like hotcakes for graduation. And I was like, I said, most of the things in my shop is, for seniors, graduation, prom. I said, you know what? I said, let me start going back and let me start doing some templates. Let me revamp the way that I did templates before and come out with a whole new way to do templates. Been selling like hotcakes. There was one that I posted on my TikTok, then I posted on my Insta, then I posted on my Facebook. Within 24 hours, that template sold. And it's been selling every day since I posted. Now, my post did not get a lot of views, did not get a lot of likes, okay? I think on my TikTok, it got like 758 views or something. That's very low, okay, right? But people, post. I'm not telling you to post every day. I'm telling you to post when you have good quality content, but post your products. Even though it's not getting a lot of likes, even though it's not getting a lot of views, somebody is watching your shit. Okay. And the next thing is manifestation. Okay. Everybody don't think that stuff is real. Okay. I get up, I say my prayer. I ask the Lord, I say, Lord, I said, can you bring me some orders in my shop today? Cha-ching, order for 10 shirts, graduation shirts. I get another order, cha-ching, 10 shirts, graduation shirts again. I'm like, ooh, bless it, Lord. Okay, busy. Let's get these going. Let's get these out. Every day I get up, I ask the Lord. It's like, Lord, can you give me one order in my shop? Lord, can you give me 2 orders in my shop? Lord, bless you for the orders that have came through, okay? You got to, the manifestation works. If you are a godly person, or if you are a person that believes in like karma and stuff like that, the universe and how the universe will, either get you if you done something, or it will reward you. You gotta have that manifestation. I have it every day. I was like, Lord, things are not working. I was like, what do I need to do? It was like I had to look up in myself first. It's like, wait a minute, is the quality of the content that I put now good enough for people to want to look, like, buy? Okay. So it's like you got to look into yourself a little bit, but then it's like, you know what? No, my shit is popping. Okay. It's like, it's like somebody gonna buy this today. Manifest it. Okay. I'm telling you. It works, okay? Get up every day and tell the Lord, say your blessings, okay? Because we can't be out here just asking for shit and then not giving shit back, okay? Even when people do me wrong and do me dirty, I continue to do the nice stuff, and then the Lord keeps blessing me. Now, I'm not doing it to get a blessing. I'm doing it because that's the type of person that I am. Although you a shitty bitch and you'd have done some shitty shit to me, it's like, you in need. It's like, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do it because I know the Lord in the end is going to bless me. Okay. It's all about me and the perception that I want to put out of myself. Okay. So like I said, somebody needed to hear that today. Okay. Like, share, subscribe. Purr.